So hey guys, this is Mr. Marl B. So for today, ang re-reviewin ko is si Basil Hawkins from Dream Studio. So this is another resin figure. So I got this for roughly how much? 7,500 pesos. So that's more or less 140 to 150 US dollars. So ayun. So nakuha ko ito is from Resin Collectible Figure Philippines. So ayun. So sila yung supplier for the Philippines ng mga resins. So ayun. So let's start. So this is like the semi unboxing since I already put out Hawkins outside the box. So first, tingnan mo natin yung box niya. So ayan. So ito yung box niya. So since like what I've mentioned sa review ko with Oroge, so Dream Studios are currently completing the Supernovas line. So this is their second piece, or rather this is their first piece for the Supernovas line, and second is Oroge. So yes, let's start. So first is tingnan natin yung base since hindi natin siya ilalagay. Ito pala yung base niya. Ayan. So it's a shiny purple base. So medyo mahaba or malaki yung base niya. So for this one, instead of so this one says Basil Hawkins, so the magician. So Hawkins Pirates. So ayan. So para sila ng design with Oroge. So since ito ngayon all, so ito yung basis talaga niya. Then felt or velvet. So I don't really like this material since mas okay yung rubber feet or rubber grips sa ilalim. Ayun. So dito makita niyo may peg. So dito may ilalagay tayo dyan na peg. So ayan. So enough with the base. Let's look at Hawkins. So ito na pala yung last ko na resin figure for currently. So ayan. Wala na akong existing na pre-orders. So I'm planning to get yung Inel sana. Kaya ganun ako nag-reframe ko. Pero ayan. So for yan. So makikita nyo is yan, si Hawkins. Basil Hawkins. So before nagka-problem ang Dream Studios, so most of the items na dumating sa Philippines is may crack. Around this one, may crack siya, parang hairline cracks. So they replaced it for after a month, which is a good thing. So thanks to Sir Mark for following this up with Dream Studios. So ayan. So ayan. So ito. So bago natin siya matayo, there's one other piece. So ito. Ayan. Ito yung peg. Sana yung ayan, hindi nila kinenext sa feet. So ayan. So pakita ko lang. Medyo so ilagay lang natin. So instead of the peg being connected to the feet or the base, so yan yung insert ko siya sa small hole kanina. So and yan, may small hole dyan. So doon lang siya lalagay. Saan magkasya? Ayan. So, saan magkasya siya? Medyo mahirap na unti. Medyo snug. Ayan. So far, ayan. Okay naman siya. Not sure kung may magnet na sa pa, pero mukhang may magnet. Yung right or left feet niya, may magnet siya sa ilalim. So, ayan. So, tatanggal pala to. So, ayan. So, next for the accessories. So, I really don't know. Honestly, I really don't know anything about Hawkins yet. Because, lumabas lang siya dun sa Saudi, the arc. In which, dun sila nakita-kita lahat ng, first generation. So, yun. So, for next is, ito yung, not sure kung alaga niya to. Or, one of the powers niya. So, yun. So, there's magnet here. So, may bilog. So, magnet. So, ilalagay natin siya sa balikat ni Hawkins. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. Nakamagnet siya dyan. Then, for the other one, so this one, this is arm. So, instead of a normal arm, they put out his devil fruit power. So, as you can see, ito yung peg. Yung focus. Sorry. Ayan, yung peg. Sobrang detail din ng figure na to. So, kudos to Dream. So, isa sila sa pinaka-okay. Na pinaka-gusto ko na studio. Ayan. So, next. So, kung mapapansin nyo is meron siyang like slots dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito. Ito yung parang cards niya. So, it's the magician. Or, like seer. So, kaya ano siya. Kaya siya si the magician Hawkins, diba? So, tingnan natin is, so, bawat cards is may sarili siyang parang mold or peg. Ayan. So, doon lang siya mag-fit. So, check natin sa isa. Sana okay. Ayan. So, I think silagay lang natin. So, I think this one is for here. Oh, sorry. Tingnan muna natin lahat. So, I think this one is for here. Ayan. So, this one is here. Ayun, mag-fit. So, for this one, it's here. So, sana lang is ginawa nila is para nila sana ng shape para mas madali siya ikabit. So, in any order or in any is pwede mo siya ikabit. Then, oops, nalaglag. So, I guess kailangan mo na siya tanggalin. So, mas madali siguro. Tingnan natin. Fit siya. And medyo snug lang pala to. So, ayan. So, kasya naman siya. And yan. So, balik natin si Carmen. So, for the last part, for the last piece, it's the nameplate. Ayan. Tanggalin ko na sa plastic din para mas makita. Ano to? So, ayan. Hawkins. So, they made 300 of this one. So, ayan. Focus. Ayan. So, got the number, or the production number 210. So, medyo mababa. So, I'm not sure if this will affect the sellability or the price of these items once I decide to resell this one. So, pero siguro hindi ko masya ibenta. Sana. So, ayan. So, Hawkins. So, compare ko lang yung plate niya sa plate ni Oroge since kaka-unbox ko lang din sa kanya. Dito pa rin siya sa ano. So, ayan. So, ito yung comparison plate na. So, kasi laki naman siya. Ayan. Same, ano. So, okay to. So, ayan. So, ayun lang. So, enough with that. Tayo natin, ayan na siya. Close up. Ayan, close up natin kay Oroge. So, medyo nakababa yung face. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-pose or mahirap siyang picturean pagkatabi na yung mga iba. So, kasi since he's like looking down or looking angry at someone. Yeah. So, very detailed din. So, first, pinapili kami kung anong klase ng hair yung gusto namin. Kung shiny ba or this one, like the matte or like the POP one na resembles dun. So, mas pinili yung matte color instead of the shiny one. Sorry. So, ayun. So, cards. So, sobrang detailed din ito. So, if you're planning to collect, again, if you're planning to collect the supernovas, you should definitely get this one. Since wala yung mga ibang studios na naglalabas ng supernovas line aside from Dream Studios. So, ayan. So, ayan. The shiny. Same shiny hand as Oroge. So, the back. So, wala na masyado ang details dito. So, ayan. So, in comparison with Oroge, so side by side, let's try to close up natin kay Oroge. So, medyo nakababa yung face. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-pose or mahirap siyang picturean pagkatabi na yung mga iba. So, kasi since he's like looking down or looking angry at someone. Yeah. So, very detailed din. So, first, pinapili kami kung anong klase ng hair yung gusto namin. Kung shiny ba or this one, like the matte or like the POP one na resembles dun. So, mas pinili yung matte color instead of the shiny one. Sorry. So, ayun. So, cards. So, sobrang detailed din ito. So, if you're planning to collect, again, if you're planning to collect the supernovas, you should definitely get this one. Since wala yung mga ibang studios na naglalabas ng supernovas line aside from Dream Studios. So, ayan. So, ayan. The shiny. Same shiny hand as Oroge. So, the back. So, wala na masyado ang details dito. So, ayan. So, in comparison with Oroge, so side by side, let's try to